Ever thought about enhancing your overall fitness and boosting your heart health? If so, cardiovascular training, or as most people call it, cardio, may be the answer you're looking for. But where to start? Well, here's a step-by-step guide to get you off the couch and onto the path of heart-healthy fitness. First things first, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on any new exercise regimen, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Once you get the green light, it's time to choose the right type of cardio exercise. Whether it's walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or dancing, find something you enjoy. It's easier to stick with an exercise routine when you're having fun. Starting with low-impact activities is a great idea, especially if you're new to exercise or have joint issues. Activities like walking, swimming, or cycling can be easier on your joints while still providing a cardiovascular workout. It's important to set realistic goals, starting with short sessions and gradually increasing the duration and intensity as your fitness level improves can help keep you motivated. And don't forget to warm up before each workout session. A warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles and reduces the risk of injury. And now, let's talk about actual cardio workouts for beginners. Start with brisk walking for 20 to 30 minutes. Gradually increase your pace or add inclines as you get more comfortable. Cycling is another great option. Start with a leisurely bike ride and gradually increase the duration and intensity. If you enjoy swimming, start with a few laps and increase the distance over time. Monitoring the intensity of your workouts is crucial. Pay attention to how your body feels during exercise. Aim for a moderate intensity, especially when starting out. After your cardio session, take time to cool down. This helps prevent muscle stiffness and promotes flexibility. Remember, consistency is key to seeing improvements. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days per week. And last but definitely not least, always listen to your body. If you experience pain, dizziness, or any unusual symptoms, stop exercising and seek medical advice if needed. Remember, every fitness journey is unique. It's essential to find activities you enjoy to make cardio a sustainable part of your lifestyle. So go ahead and embark on your cardio journey today.